Uh, maupay nga gabi atong mga tanan, labi na atong mga miyembro tag konsumo ang atong kooperatiba ang Turelco. Pagkayana ang ibang munisipyo han coverage area, franchise area han Turelco amo in may ada na kuryente except for the municipality of Tanawan. So I talked to Engineer Rick Lozano of NGCP. We're trying to connect the substation in Tanawan to the grid. We're trying to get power from the NGCP substation in Maasin because there is a problem in the substation in Ormoc of the NGCP. So right now, itong feeder is not available, considering the fact that we are in a loop. We're trying to get or source our power from the NGCP Maasin substation. And unfortunately, Tanawan substation cannot be immediately connected because of the fact that it has to get a clearance from ACC. And I have personally asked NGCP to connect the Tanawan substation so that the entire franchise area of Turelco could be energized. 5 minutes ago, I believe I get a positive feedback from NGCP, and Engineer Lozano will try to coordinate with ECC so that we can be connected with the Maasin substation. Unfortunately, these things are happening because there is a line fault between Kananga and Kapuukan, and so the Tunga feeder line cannot supply power, and it involves 4 electric cooperatives that includes the Eco 5, Biliran, the Eco 3, and Turelco. And hopefully we can get a positive response from ACC so that we can connect Tanawan substation and hopefully energize the municipality of Tanawan. Thank you.